Lead magnets are the gateway to your email list, but most people overcomplicate them. In this video, we build a high-converting lead magnet system from idea to automation, using only AI tools. First, GPT helps brainstorm lead magnet types based on your niche, checklists, guides, templates, calculators. We script the entire resource, generate visuals with Midjourney, and format it in Canva. GPT then writes the opt-in page copy, thank you email, and first value email. We build the funnel in System.io or ConvertKit and connect it to your CRM. To scale, we write 3 content posts and 2 short videos to promote the magnet. Finally, we create a dashboard that shows daily opt-ins, conversion rate, and lead quality. Everything scripted, designed, tracked, and launched in one day.